Vaccination efforts continue in Mexico. At this inoculation site in Xochimilco, health workers are administering first doses of the Sputnik V vaccine developed by Russia, which for now is only available for people 60 years of age or older.
This is the appointment for the next dose that I'll receive on March 17th. I don't have a time, but they'll let me know.
Since the virus was first spotted in Mexico, the outbreak in the country has grown beyond what anyone here could have imagined. Today, the death toll nationwide remains the world's third highest.
It's become frustrating to see our loved ones die, people who have dedicated their lives to their patients. In the area of medical professionals, Mexico has lost more lives than any other country. It's been painful, and I hope we have learned some important lessons. We need a better health system. We need to be better prepared. We need to produce our own vaccines.
The outbreak has not only stretched the limits of the country's public health system, it's also pushed the national economy into the worst recession in almost 90 years. The COVID-19 pandemic in Mexico has led to a devastating 8.5% decline in GDP and a dramatic increase in the national poverty rate, from 36% to 45% of the population.
Todavía tengo COVID.
Much of the blame for why the health emergency in Mexico has ballooned beyond control has fallen on Mexico's president, who's been widely criticized for downplaying the extent of the crisis. For his part, the president has promised that everyone in the country will have access to vaccines as supplies become available.
The people should know that we are committed to vaccinating everyone as soon as possible. Even if we don't finish by March, every senior citizen will at least be vaccinated with one dose by the end of April.
Though Mexico is now in phase 2 of the national inoculation program, health experts warn that so far, less than 2 million people of Mexico's 126 million residents have been inoculated, amounting to a vaccination rate that is still far from making a meaningful impact against the pandemic. Manuel, Rapalo, Al Jazeera, Mexico City.